Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we are taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. This Blazer is featured in a LT trim and is an orange paint finish. It includes features such as our power tailgate, heated front seats, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, our full 360 sensors, our drive mode select including our tow and haul mode, our off-road, our sport, and our all-wheel drive, as well as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines and trailer assist, and Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Now inside the front of the Blazer, we can see that we have our chrome door handle. Just beyond that, we have our door locks. Moving down onto the door panel itself, we have our power outside mirrors. They do include a blind spot monitor inside the mirror. Our window locks. Our powered windows with one-touch up and down driver window. Moving down a little bit, we have our power tailgate button, as well as some additional storage in the bottom of the door. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, including central dash lighting. Moving above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with digital information in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings and our forward collision warning button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free information. Just to the right of the steering wheel, we have our engine button to start and stop it, as well as our auto start stop engine and our hazard lighting. Then between that, we have our infotainment system, which also includes our backup camera. You can see that it has our Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can see our backup camera here. We have our guidelines as well as our trailer guidelines. Just below it, we have some additional buttons. We have our home button, our volume buttons, as well as our back button. Then on the right-hand side, we have the button to open our glove box, as well as our ABS. And we can see when we hit our glove box button, it opens it up. We can just fold it up like a normal glove box. Moving below, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our heated seats are on the outside. So in the middle, we have all of our settings. Below it, we have all of our level settings. And then for the heat itself, we have a turn on the outside of our center vents that controls the level. Then in the middle, we have a USB-C and a USB, as well as a spot to put them while they charge. Then we have our two cup holders, our leather wrap shift knob, our full sensors, as well as our lane keep assist and our drive modes. So we have two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, sport mode, off-road, and tow haul mode. Here we can see our key. We can see that we have our locks on the top, remote start in the center, and our power liftgate at the bottom, and then our alarms. We do have a little bit of storage just in front of our center console. You can see our center console in a leather finish. Opening up, we have some deep storage, as well as a 12-volt plug on the front. Moving across to our seats, they are finished in a black cloth and are heated in the front of the vehicle. Lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar buttons, our rear check reminder and our lighting controls, our garage door memory, and lastly, our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the Blazer, moving down to our wheels, we can see we have an aluminum finish with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap. We have our paint match side mirrors with our Blazer logo on the front door. We also have our paint match door handles with keyless entry and exit. And the back also has our keyless entry and exit. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Chevy badging, as well as our Blazer badging on the bottom left. Opening the vehicle through the bottom, we have a powered lift. We can also see our backup camera. Inside the back of the vehicle, we can see our second row seating that is in a 60/40 fold. We have a lift-up fifth wheel, as well as storage underneath. And then to close our vehicle, we have a button on the left-hand side. Now moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our chrome door handle, our window control, and a little bit of extra storage in the bottom of the door panel. Moving into the vehicle, we can see in the seat in front of us that we have our magazine holder in both our driver and passenger seat. In the center, we have our rear vents, as well as a USB and a USB-C plug. Moving to the seats, we can see that they are finished in the same black cloth that was in the front of the vehicle. In our center seat, we have two foldable cup holders, and we have a 60-40 folding split in the rear of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.